Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is rolling out an update to the Defender app or the Windows Security app to fix a bug that's been here for 2 years. You know, when we talk about how Microsoft should focus on certain things rather than going everywhere and trying to get us with new features all the time. So it turns out that for the past 2 years, and actually 2 years ago, they tried to fix it, but it never was really fixed. When you actually log in with Windows Hello, which means a PIN, which means maybe a fingerprint, face recognition, some users, not all, would have, and I've seen this happen on mine a couple of times over the years. It doesn't do it at every startup, but I remember a few times going and having to fix it. For some, it's so often that some people actually have just stopped fixing it because they're annoyed. So what happens is that in the app and browser control, you have in the reputation-based protection, phishing protection. And what would happen is that at random, for some very often, for some doesn't happen often, but from time to time it might be a problem, the phishing protection was turned off. And immediately when this is turned off, what would happen is that your security app would have this yellow triangle. It's saying, well, there's actions recommended, something's not right. And people had to go, and I was like, oh, look at that. Phishing protection is off. So they had to turn it back on. And it is something that annoyed users for the past 2 years, which is a long time. So Microsoft has issued an update with the Defender app that is fixing this. So within the next few days, everybody should have it within the app. And if you had this phishing protection turning off from time to time, technically they should have fixed it. Now, we'll have to wait because they had fixed it 2 years ago without fixing it. So this time around, we need to make sure that the fix is fixing something. So we'll be looking at that in the next months. If it ever happens again, then they still didn't fix it. So why so long? I don't know. But sometimes Microsoft should wake up and smell the coffee. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.